Samuel Johnson said, "Self-confidence is the first requisite of great undertakings." If you don't believe in yourself, you won't be able to do great things. If you are unable to do great things, you won't be able to live the life you are created to live. Self-confidence is defined as a feeling of trust in one's abilities, qualities, and judgment. When you believe in yourself, you'll be more willing to try new things. The more self-confident you become, the more free you become of the mental torture of doubting yourself and questioning whether you are really valuable or capable of achieving things you want to achieve. You can show self-confidence in many ways: in your behavior, your body language, and in what you say and how you say it. Confidence can be a tough thing to build up. Not everyone is born with an inbuilt sense of self-confidence. Fortunately, there are things you can do to boost your self-confidence. In this video, we will be discussing 4 ways to improve self-confidence. If you are new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss anything from us. Here are the 4 ways to improve self-confidence. First, don't compare yourself to others. Stop comparing yourself with others. If they are good at something, you too are good at something else. Self-confidence is not measured by your own capabilities versus that of others, but your own needs. A nice motivational quote from Stephen Richards: "Whether you compare how you look to your friends on Facebook or you compare your salary to your friend's income, comparisons aren't healthy." People who compare themselves to others experience envy. But jealousy or envy is dangerous. The only thing that jealousy does is prevent us from reaching our full potential. Jealousy convinces us that someone out there is better than us. Jealousy makes us think we have to be like someone else in order to become successful. You can be anything, but you can't be everything. When you notice you are drawing comparisons, remind yourself that doing so isn't helpful. Everyone is running their own race, and life isn't a competition. We are all different and have our own unique gifts and talents. Just because someone has talent that you don't, it doesn't make them any better than you. Guess what? You also have talents that they don't have. Second, take care of your body. It's hard to feel good about yourself if you're abusing your body. Lack of sleep, eating an unhealthy diet, and refraining from exercise will take a toll on your well-being. Studies consistently show physical activity boosts confidence. Exercise enhances our mood and puts our mind in a more positive state. Exercise makes us feel good about our physical self, our abilities, and physique. Make self-care a priority. When you're feeling at your best physically, you'll naturally feel more confident about yourself. As Sean Patrick Flannery said, "Do something today that your future self will thank you for." There are so many benefits of exercising, and one of which is improving your self-confidence and self-esteem. Taking care of your body also includes changing your body language and image. This is where posture, smiling, eye contact, and speech slowly come into play. Smiling will not only make you feel better, but will make others feel more comfortable around you. Always remember that a smile is a curve that sets everything straight. Third, practice self-compassion. Veronica Tugaleva said, "Learning to love yourself is like learning to walk. Essential, life-changing, and the only way to stand tall." Low self-confidence is often caused by the negative thoughts running through our minds on an endless track. The way you talk to yourself plays a vital role in your well-being. You are never going to feel confident if you have negative commentary running through your mind telling you that you're no good. Self-compassion is the extension of kindness, care, warmth, and understanding toward oneself when faced with shortcomings, inadequacies, or failures. Self-compassion is simply treating yourself with the same kindness and care that you would extend to someone you love. Speaking to yourself harshly won't motivate you to do better. If you are not motivated to do better, it will affect your confidence towards yourself. Fourth, or lastly, planning and preparation. Perhaps, the most important factor in developing confidence is planning and preparing for the unknown. It's hard to be confident in yourself if you don't think you'll do well at something. Beat that feeling by preparing yourself as much as possible. For example, if you prepare and reviewed well for an upcoming exam, you will feel more confident in passing. Now, think of life as your exam and prepare yourself. Planning and preparation includes also increasing your competence and knowledge. How do you increase your competence and knowledge? By studying, practicing, or through experience. Just do small bits at a time. As Nikki Verd have said, instead of waiting to start big, start small so that you can grow big. So what we have learned so far? The following are the 4 ways to improve self-confidence. First, don't compare yourself to others. Second, take care of your body. Third, practice self-compassion. And fourth, planning and preparation. What all this really takes is practice. But the most important thing is your own belief that you can do better. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.